Here she felt utterly alone, and in one sense she was alone. No one close to her came rushing in her defense. And Aisha's strength, despite this loneliness, becomes more apparent. Aisha continues to tell her story. Then I turned to the other side of my bed, hoping that Allah would prove my innocence. By Allah, I never thought that Allah would reveal divine inspiration in my case, as I considered myself too inferior to be talked of in the Holy Qur'an. I had hoped that Allah's Messenger ﷺ might have a dream in which Allah would prove my innocence. By Allah, Allah's Messenger ﷺ had not got up, and nobody had left the house before the divine inspiration came to Allah's Messenger ﷺ. So there overtook him the same state which used to overtake him when he used to receive revelation. He was sweating so much so that the drops of sweat were dropping like pearls, though it was a cold, wintry day. When that state of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's messenger was over, he was smiling. And the first word he said was, Aisha, thank Allah, for Allah has declared your innocence.